Hello everyone. Us at Fine Lock and Key, we carry a high security line of cylinders. It's called ASSA. And I wanted to show you today how the cylinders are built and what makes them unique. So this is a cylinder, a key knob cylinder. And I'm gonna put a blank inside. It will turn. It doesn't have top pins right now, but I want to show you something else. I'm putting the key in halfway and it doesn't turn. And the reason why it doesn't turn is because it has a sidebar. And the sidebar has to line up with the cuts on the side of the key. It's kind of hard to show in the camera, but they're there. There are cuts here. And when you look at the profile of the key, you see that there are two lines of cuts, one on the side and obviously on top. That's a blank, it's not a cut key. This is a cut key, there are some cuts on it. And let me show you that sidebar. I'm opening it up carefully. Here it is. That's the sidebar. Sidebar has to line up with the key. And we have a restricted keyway that's unique only to us, which means if you get a key from us, we are licensed to have, by contract, to have that key, and we can only sell that key or cylinders. So you know, and you have the assurance that no one will be able to duplicate that key because it's not available anywhere else besides Fine Lock and Key. So it has the key restriction. It also have the peak-proof resistance. So it cannot, the keys cannot be duplicated, and the keys cannot, and the cylinders cannot be picked. So call us at Fine Lock and Key, 773-569-1770, and ask us about our ASSA line of high security products. Thank you very much. Please like and share.